Hey everyone, this is Raushan, and after a long period of time, I'm just making this YouTube videos. Actually, recently, I just purchased this book called Psychology of Sailing by Brian Tracy almost 4 days ago. And I was just reading it, and I have read for more than 34 pages. And yesterday I was talking with one of my friend called Piyush, and he said to me, Rawson, that you are reading this book, which is amazing. But it would be more amazing if you start making videos regarding this book, like you will talk about some of the important pointers out of it. Then I thought, okay, like especially in the last 7 months, I'm consistently doing this sailing type of work, right? Then I thought to make videos out of it. So in this today's video, I'm going to talk about 80-20 rule in the sailing. If you are in the sales industry, if you are a beginner, then you must follow this thing. So in the sailing, it's 80-20 rule. You remember in our childhood, like most of people are talking about like 20% of the population in India have 80% of the wealth, and 80% of the population have 20% of the wealth. So this almost same as in sales, not same but almost similar. So in sales, there are 80-20 rule called 80% of salesperson generates the revenue of 20%, but the 20% of the salesperson generates the revenue of 80%. So there are lots of difference between these 80s and 20. And of course, we all know we would love to be in the top 20% because we want to earn more and more money out of it, right? And at the end, money brings peace. So in this 80 and 20% rule, this author is talking about if you are in the top 20%, then definitely you will be not talking about money, and you will not be worrying about how to generate more and more money. Otherwise, you will be talking more about expanding. Like if you are generating, for example, in this book, the author says if you are generating like $30,000 or $50,000 a year, then please make sure to set a target of $70,000 or $80,000 a year. But if you are just struggling to generate a revenue, then of course you will be thinking and you will be talking more about money. There would be a lot of mindset part which I'll be talking about in the my upcoming videos, but in this video I will talk more about that 80-20 rule and how you should be in the top 4%. Because see, at the end, if you enter in the top 20% by just doing hard work and doing more and more sales calls, generating revenue for yourself, and let's suppose you entered in the top 20%, and if you are still thinking to be in the top 4%, then remember, in the 20%, the top 4% people are earning more than 80% of the revenue out of the rest 16%. Right. So if you will be in the top 4%, definitely you will be earning more money. Even you will live more happy life than the happiest person in the society. It's true, because at the end I can say money brings peace, money brings happiness. It's my perspective. Please don't disagree with this thing. If you have your own pointers, please write it down in the chat box. So this is all about this 80 and 20% rule. Please let me know in the chat box exactly which group would you like to join, in the top 80% or in the top 20%. In the next video, I will definitely cover more and more regarding the sales, regarding the mindset or whatever, which will going to benefit you in terms of generating more sales, more revenue, and of course, you will live happy life and you will thank me later, right? So thank you so much for watching this video.